Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve ax is equals to by is equals to cz is equals to 3 and 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equals to 30 and we have to find a plus b plus c. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So from equation first, ax is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3 by a. Similarly, by is equals to 3. So y is equals to 3 by b. And cz is equals to 3. So z is equals to 3 by c. So I'm going to put all the three values in equation number 2. So 1 by 3 by a plus 1 by 3 by b plus 1 by 3 by b. So we can write a by b by c as a times c by b. So it becomes 1 times a is a by 3 plus b by 3 plus c by 3. And these are equals to 30. A plus b plus c by 3 is equals to 30. So a plus b plus c is equals to, if I multiply both sides with 3, we can eliminate this. So a plus b plus c is 30 times 3, which is 90. I hope it's clear and you like the method. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like it.